Step into any Punjabi dhaba or a North Indian restaurant, and there is one classic dish that always makes its way to the table. Yes, you guessed it right. Today we are going to make Chole Masala. Chole is the Punjabi word for chickpeas, and masala means, as you all know, spices. And this tangy, spicy, protein packed dish stands to its name. Hello everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. This is Fairy, and welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Let's get started. Take 1 cup of dried chickpeas. In case if you are using canned chickpeas, use 3 cups of canned chickpeas and skip the pressure cooking steps and proceed to making the gravy. Wash the chickpeas and let it soak overnight. I have done this the night before. In a pressure cooker, add the soaked chickpeas with 2 cups of water, and with this add 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamoms, 1 inch cinnamon and 2 cloves along with a tea bag. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of baking soda to this to soften the chickpeas. However, this step is optional. While you do this, set aside in a bowl 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 bay leaf and 2 green cardamoms. These small steps make the cooking so much easier. Now cover the lid and pressure cook the chickpeas for 5 whistles and allow the pressure to release on its own. While it is getting cooked, let's prep the rest of the ingredients. Finely chop 2 medium-sized onions and slit 1 green chili, and either finely chop or puree 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Now that the pressure is released from the cooker, let's open and see if the chickpeas is cooked. Wow, the chickpeas are so soft. Now heat up a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add the whole spices which we have set aside. When they begin to sizzle, add in the finely chopped onions and green chili. Fry them on medium heat until the onions are golden. Once the onions are golden, add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute till it loses its raw flavor. Once it loses its raw flavor, add in the pureed tomatoes. To this, add in half more teaspoon of salt and cook on medium heat. Cook till the oil separates from the tomato onion mixture. While it's cooking, let's collect all the spices necessary for the recipe. We need half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 pinches of turmeric powder and 3/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Also, to make it more authentic, and if you could find your hands on one, add in a tablespoon of Chole Masala spice powder and a tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Now that the tomatoes are cooked well and the oil has separated, we lower the flame and add all the spice powders and saute for 2 more minutes. The Chole Masala powder and the dried fenugreek leaves are completely optional. Me being a South Indian, I usually cannot find Chole Masala at my place and usually substitute it with quarter teaspoon more of Garam Masala and half a teaspoon of lemon juice at the end. Ditch the whole spices and tea bags from the pressure cooked chickpeas and add the chickpeas along with the water to the pan. At this stage, do a taste check and adjust water and salt as per your preference. Now mix everything well, cook it on medium flame, and once it reaches rolling boil, simmer and cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the flame and let it rest. Meanwhile, let's do the tempering. In a tempering pan, heat a tablespoon of ghee, add in 2 slit green chilies, a pinch of asafoetida and 2 juliennes of ginger. However, I forgot to shoot this part. Garnish this with some chopped coriander leaves and serve after 20 minutes so that the chickpeas get soaked up with all the flavors. Serve this with a lemon wedge and chopped onions on the side of either rice, puri, naan or baturas, and watch them disappear in no time. I hope this recipe fills your kitchen with the same love and warmth it brings to mine. Thanks for staying till the end, and I really hope you found this video useful. Do give this recipe a try and share in your feedback in the comments. Like if you found the video useful, your feedback would help me make more useful videos. Until I see you in the next video, bye from me, Fairy. Happy cooking!